Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and play videos on Swagbucks. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and tap on the login button and use your Google account to log in. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into this homepage from which you can proceed with various different tasks in order to earn Swagbucks. Now, as you can see, based on your geographic location, you will have the options to answer survey, play games, and watch videos as well. If you don't find the option of videos at the bottom section, you can tap on Discover. From the Discover tab, you will be shown the various different options for rewards that you can use. If you don't find videos within this option, then maybe videos is not available on your location. So make sure that you are in a location where watching videos for rewards is available, and you will find the video option within the Discover section as well. You can then tap on your preferred video and you will earn your reward just by watching this video. And there you have it. That is how you can find videos that you can watch on the Swagbucks application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.